Welcome back to LARTE Design YouTube channel, and this is another LARTE edition video. And in this video we would like to show you the latest project done in-house by LARTE Design. And have a look now, maybe you can already guess by the look of this car. Let me show you what we have done here. Now this project was done for the BMW XM 2026, and as you can already see, this is a complete carbon fiber transformation. So let's dive in and have a look together at all the details done on this car. In this video I will be happy to walk you through this upgrade in detail. We'll have a look at the front, side and the rear part of this BMW XM, and as you can already see, this BMW XM has got a special color, and I would be curious to hear your opinion. How do you find this color match with all the carbon fiber elements? So keep watching and you will see even more details about this project. So it's finally now time to look at the front of this BMW XM in detail, and as you can already see, this BMW XM has got complete carbon fiber appearance. So the first thing, of course, that you have may noticed is the carbon fiber hood. You can see this is a massive one-piece part that we have completely transformed on this car. Now if you have a closer look, you will see that this BMW hood has got all these additional masculine lines, in addition with the design elements also on the side of this hood, having extra LARTE Design special logos on the side. And alternatively, it's also possible to include the BMW logo either in the front or replace it with a LARTE Design logo here as well. So as you can see, this hood is made from 100% carbon fiber, and we have decided to have this hood done exactly like this for this project. However, it's also possible to paint it in the body color or have it in glossy black finish. And let me also now prove you that this hood is not just an overlay, it's a 100% complete carbon fiber hood which has been produced in Germany in-house. So it's also, of course, carbon fiber on the inside. Have a look. This is a complete hood done by LARTE Design. Also, as I always mention, we replace all the fasteners from the original hood from BMW. Also, all these features have been replaced, meaning the functionality has been kept. Also, in addition, let me mention that we have got here the special LARTE Design BMW XM logo, meaning that this hood was custom made by LARTE Design in-house and therefore guaranteeing the authenticity of this part. Now, let me close it and show you that all the gaps here on this hood are just like on the original hood. So you will see that there are no extra gaps left here. This hood perfectly sits just like the OEM part. Now it is also time to show you all the other additional elements that we have done on this car. So looking right further down, we've got here the complete match here with the front grille, which has also been done in carbon fiber just to complement this overall look. But also, in addition to this part, on the bottom we've got additional pieces. Let me show you in detail. So first of all, have a look here. We've got additional inserts here and on the other side as well. Now these openings have been, of course, kept for all the sensors over here. And if you remember, this part was initially in glossy black and we decided to add a little bit more carbon fiber. But also on the bottom we have made this BMW XM a little bit more closer to the ground and therefore giving it a more masculine and powerful stance. So as you can see, we've got here the front bumper splitter, which is a two-piece part. Also on the sides you will see that there are additional side fins over here with an additional LARTE Design logo, just to highlight these aerodynamics of this powerful and sporty SUV. So now it is time to continue talking about the side changes on this car. And as you have already may noticed, this car is not only special about its color and the contrast with carbon fiber, but also this is showroom car project, and as you can already see, we are working together with Rensteel, and this car is going later to their showroom to be shown there, and also it's available for sale. So if you are looking for the XM currently and also want to make it directly quite special, this car is available for sale. You can come by, have a look there. They're based in Wuppertal, which is close to us in Düsseldorf. So do not hesitate, get in touch with us or with them and come there and have a look yourself at this project with your eyes live. But now it is time to continue talking about all the side changes that we have done on this car. So let me show it to you in detail. So as we just talked about the front elements, these elements continue perfectly with all the side elements and perfectly complement the overall profile of this car. As you can see, we've got here the front fender arches with additional design geometric lines over here, which definitely and perfectly combine and match with all the side moldings on the button. And as you can see, these side moldings definitely add volume to this BMW XM and therefore emphasizing its massive character. And as you can see, these lines in the front perfectly match and complement with these additional elements over here, and therefore continuing this side profile with even more carbon fiber in the rear part, and therefore completing this side profile over here. And in addition to all the side button elements on this BMW XM, of course we have added the premium touch, which are the carbon fiber mirror cups. Have a look. These additional side pieces definitely add a touch of exclusivity to your BMW XM. And for this project, we also went full in, meaning that we have also modified all the rims on this BMW XM. Let me show them to you in detail. As you can see here, we've got the LARTE Design special forged wheels in size 23 inch. In the middle, we've got this special LARTE Design logo right here. And as you have already seen, this rim is made in glossy black finish just to bring even more contrast to this white BMW XM with all the additional carbon fiber parts. What I would like to mention here also that all the rims at LARTE Design are available in different sizes, and by the way, we have also got even more design options, and therefore you can definitely choose which rim design option fits better to your BMW XM. And of course, on the rear part of this BMW XM, we have also added even more carbon fiber. As you can see, this BMW XM has got not only one rear bumper spoiler, but two. On the top, we've got a top spoiler over here. In the middle, of course, the LARTE Design additional logo here. And as you can see, this spoiler has got these aerodynamic openings over here just to make this BMW even more sporty. And as you have already may noticed, we have partnered up with Rensteel for this project, which I'm going to tell you later in this video, so keep watching and you will hear more about them. And now we come to the biggest change on this rear appearance of this BMW XM, which is the rear bumper diffuser. And as you can already see, we have done it all in carbon fiber, even the exhaust tips. Let's start with them. Have a look here. You can see that these have been also modified from the exterior appearance. So we've got here the carbon fiber exhaust tips which go on top of the original ones. These exhaust tips, as you can see, perfectly fit with the LARTE rear bumper diffuser. They're sticking a little bit out, therefore highlighting its powerness. What I would like to also additionally mention on this rear bumper diffuser, we have also got here the LARTE Design signature, which are the special LARTE Design brake lights. And now have a look at these one-piece rear bumper diffuser with an additional LARTE Design logo in the middle. Now this rear bumper diffuser is a complete change from the stock one, meaning that we replace it completely, and instead of the stock one we put a LARTE Design rear bumper over here. And this rear bumper diffuser, by the way, gets installed onto the original mounting points, and therefore we guarantee you the perfect fitment. As you can also see yourself, there are no additional gaps over here. It sits perfectly And to finish off this video, I would like to mention one more time that this complete project, as you can see on this car, is completely available on sale. So if you are currently looking for a new BMW XM, do not hesitate and leave us a request on the website or get directly in touch with Ren Still. They will be happy to show you this car live in their showroom and show you all the details that have been modified here. But if you have already got your BMW XM and would like to upgrade it, we are happy to do so in-house at LARTE Design in Germany, but also we ship worldwide, so it doesn't matter wherever you are located. We are happy to help you build your BMW XM the way you want to have it and bring even more emotions to your everyday drive. But now let's finish off this video by listening to the sound of this BMW XM and seeing if the sound also matches now the visual appearance upgraded at LARTE Design.